my lovely friends, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I have Happy Mail. Well, it's a yarn haul really. Last month I ordered some cotton to fill up my cotton shelves, and so we will see what is in here. It's been sat in the cupboard, as you do. When I get a parcel, I kind of leave it for a couple of days. That's but I had so being careful opening. Ooh. I've picked colours that I haven't had before. Oh, and this is lovely and soft. And this is King Cole Cotton Soft. It's a DK weight and knitted knockers UK, made with love and filled with hope. With every purchase this yarn, a donation will be made. Isn't that good? And it is 100% cotton, 229 yards, 210 meters. It's 100 grams, and it was made in Turkey under the license for King Cole, and this is silver. So isn't that really nice? So I got 5 of them, I think. 5, I think. Or did I get 4? Oh no, I got 5. And I got this to go with this. What do you think? Do you think they'll look nice together? I love peach and grey and pink and grey together. So this is exactly the same specs as the other, and this is apricot. I hope the colour's giving it, it looks like it's giving it the right colour. Let me just put some light on the subject, shall I? That might be better. Can you see it now? Yeah? And that's the silver. So I got them 2 colours to go together, and that's what I've decided to do. I've looked through the cotton and I know I've not got any apricot. I've got a peach colour. So, and it is so soft. Oh, it's lovely, lovely. So I've got all them. So I've got 5 of them. And there's the other grey. Ooh. And then I got some lemon. I've got some yellow, but not as soft as this. And this is a James C. Brett yarn. And this hasn't got a colour. James C. Brett, you want to get your finger out and start naming your colours. So it is 100% pure DK cotton. It's shade ICO2, and it's 100 grams, and it's made in Turkey, again under the license of James C. Brett. We've got a 215 meters with this and 234 yards, which in comparison, this has got more yardage than this. Only about 5 yards. But 5 yards is 5 yards, isn't it? And it's 30 cool wash, cool iron, tumble dry, don't bleach. Knitting needles are 4mm US 6, but I suppose you could actually I always like to do a swatch and go by the needle. So if it says 4mm knitting needles, I would say 4mm hook. So that's the lemon. And this, I never told you, this is a 40-degree wash. Don't iron, don't bleach, don't tumble dry and dry flat with this one, the King Cole one. So I've got 5 of them. And last but not least, what colour do you think I've ordered? What? Now come on, what colour do you think I've ordered? Purple! And this is Peyton's 4-ply. Isn't it a lovely colour? Oh, really nice jewel tone. And again, this hasn't got a colour. It's just 01743. And welcome to a world of inspiration. Mez Crafts, made in Hungary. And it is again 100% cotton. 3.25mm hook, a knitting needle, 40-degree wash, cool iron, and it says you can dry clean, don't bleach obviously, and don't tumble dry. Machine warm wash, permanent press cycle, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, warm iron, which is what I've already said. And what I like about this, I'm not sure if you can see this here, and it gives you kind of a male, female, 6-year-old child, and it gives you the grams. So if you want to do a sweater for a female, it's 500 grams. To do a hat, it's 100 grams. To do a scarf, it's 200 grams. And it tells you for the male and the child as well, which is quite good actually, isn't it? It's not quite as soft as that, but it is lovely. It really is nice. And I got 5 of them. And that was my haul from Deramores. I'll put the link to Deramores down below. And I'm not sure what I'm... Conundrum now. What can I make with these beautiful yarns? Not all in the same day, Linda. Slowly, slowly. Catch your monkey. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care, stay safe, and as I always say, be kind to yourself. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.